Okay guys, it's been a while since you've seen me out there. Yes, I'm still alive, I'm at it. Things were a little bit chaotic here for the last month, but we've got it sorted out. Things are great, things are working, somewhat. Anyway, I lost my Instagram page, the Old Time Garage Instagram page. If anyone's out there watching, it is now Rick's and then underscore Old Time Garage. So Rick's underscore Old Time Garage. Please look it up, sign up again. We'll try and get some of the old photos up. We've got a lot of new ones we're putting up there. And we're going to change things around here a little bit. We're going to do a change here. What we're going to do is we're going to start... This whole thing is a lifestyle for me. The cars, I mean, look at around the office here. You guys know it. I love all the car parts. I love the swap meets. I love anything vintage. It's been that way since I was like 12 or 13 years old, since American Graffiti. We're going to start putting some new posts up on Instagram. We're going to start showing you things. Maybe I go to a cool swap meet. I'm going to take pictures down there. I'm going to show you guys stuff. Because if you're a car guy, you're not just a car guy. You're into the whole life. You're into the lifestyle. Maybe you aren't. Maybe you are. But I think most of the guys out there are into the lifestyle. So we're going to throw some more pictures up there. Let me see what you think about that. Some vintage furniture that I'm picking up. We're going to go around to the swap meets. I'm going to hit up some car shows and show you guys some photos and pictures, what's going on there. We're even going to do some more YouTube videos on this shit and show you what's happening. You know, with that being said, we're just going to take it to a different level here. It's going to be about Old Time Garage. It always will be. That's what it's about. It's about the builds, the customers, you guys out there. But it's going to be about what also is in the background. We're going to show you shit like it's going on in my house. We're going to show you the deck. We're going to show you this. I didn't want to show you that before because it was my personal life. But you know what? What the hell? You know what I mean? You're not going to see what I'm doing at nighttime when I'm all by myself. I mean, you know what I mean? But you're going to see stuff going on. You're going to see how I'm building a jungle room down in my basement. Yes, I'm building like the Elvis jungle room with a little bit of a tiki slash to it. Not too much. I like tiki stuff, I do, but I'm going more for the jungle room theme with just a bar in the corner that's tiki-eyed, or tiki-fied, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Who gives a shit, right? So that's what we're going to do. So, anyway, sorry there's been no videos for a while. We're going to get these videos up and going for you. We're having a little bit of trouble here, but we've got a guy that I brought in that's going to handle this. He's got the situation under control, and he's going to take it to the next level for us. So look out. We're coming back, Old Time Garage, stronger than ever. So we hope all you guys are watching. I hope I didn't lose you guys. Again, Instagram, Rick's underscore Old Time Garage. It's open to everyone. Take a look. Okay, big thumbs up here, and we'll see you next time.